Leadership must listen to the needs and aspirations of the people. Yeah. And for sure, if you don't listen, you will go home. Right. And this is what we are witnessing here. Yes. Watu walioana wawili tukiwaona. Na hata ndoa haijaendelea miaka miwili. Mmoja analala kitanda upande huu, mwingine upande huu. Na hii tulikuwa tunasema hii ni ndoa ya uongo hii. Na sasa anaenda kutafuta yule hakuwa naye amsaidie. Nafikiri wa Kenya ni lazima sasa tuanze kuangalia na tuanguke na hii kitu hii. We shall not watch our country go to the dogs. And if we don't stop it, it will happen.
Watu wanasema ondoa huyu kwa kiti, bakisha huyu. But I've been asking myself, kama shule haifanyi vizuri, you blame who? So you blame a teacher. You can't start saying my deputy ameleta shida, kwa hiyo wacha tutoe deputy to tubakisha teacher. That's why you are head of an institution. So from where I start, I'm saying this country is facing challenges which cannot only be associated with the deputy president. These challenges must be put where they belong, and they belong to the head of the state. That is the president. Tuko pamoja? Ndio mmesikia tumesema kufa driver, kufa makanga, hata makanika afanye nini? Aende. Impossible we can get us a clean slate for this country to start.
Then as we get into employment, let it be the policy of first out of college, first to be employed. It has caused a problem in your families. And families are separating. Your wife came from college in 2023, last year. When will you talk at college? 2015. You are an intern, your wife is PNP. Una maisha kwa hiyo nyumba? There isn't.
Continued support. We wish you safe travels as you head back home.
A long time, my government, because
and we are all from supporting VCs, not VCs, last year 2023, and we are planning to extend this important. Your payment of the 2021-25 CBR collective bargaining. Secretary General joins us. We must be in a position to tell you continue working together to ensure the success of every teacher.